I'm never gonna change your mind, and I won't ever treat you right. Never forget me, heaven accept me, I'll just go. I'm never gonna change your mind, and I won't ever treat you right. Never forget me.
I'll follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I've never loved one like you. Molten boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I've been everywhere with you, that's true. We laugh until we think we'll die, barefoot on a summer night. Nothing new is sweeter than with you. And in the streets
you know, instead of waiting for a good day to happen, you know, waiting around through ups and downs, you know, I just said, look.
We're gonna have a good day, and all my homies wanna ride today, and all these mommies look fly today, and all we wanna do is get by today. Hey,
This my excavation to days cool.
cigarette, daydream. You were only 17, so sweet with the mean streak. Nearly brought me to my knees.
When you start living for the small moments, that's when you really know you're living. The smell of coffee in the morning, the sound of rain hitting your roof, the different colors of the sunset. Don't get me wrong, the big moments are great when they come.
Nice to know ya, let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand.
You know why I'm afraid of change. Guess that's why we stay the same. So tell me to leave, I'll pack my bags, get on the road.
It was a teenage wedding and the old folks wished him well. You could see that Pierre did truly love the mademoiselle.
like the wind blowing through your hair. Well, come on, roll with me till the sun goes down.
Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down, we don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house.
I got my peaches out in Georgia, oh yeah shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, yeah that's it. I got my peaches out in Georgia, oh yeah shit. Holding on for what? Taking it for granted. I was looking up, I was being blinded. Holding on for what? Hoping that I find it.
Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I'll be here everywhere with you. We laugh until we think we'll die, barefoot on a summer night. Nothing new is sweeter than with you. And in the street we run free like it's only you and me. Geez, you're something to see. Oh, let me go home. Home is whenever I'm with.
Getting my caravan ready for summer.
What do you do for fun?
All I can say is that my life is pretty plain.
Alright, let's move out. Fire in the hole.
I hate all men, but when he loves me, I feel like I'm floating. When he calls me pretty, I feel like somebody. Even when we fade eventually to nothing, you will always be my favorite.
Like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood, feeling blessed.
Hey, I have a question for you. Do you know why every time I'm in my van, when I turn the steering wheel like this, and then I go like that, I end up here? It's just so odd.